I'm setting up my new 14-inch ring light tripod, and I'm excited to start using it. I've been looking forward to this, and so far everything looks pretty simple. So I'm excited to tell you about this Aureday 14-inch ring light. It's so cute. It's in pink. That's the color I picked, but it does come in other colors. It'd be something fun. But I wanted the 14-inch light. So it has a very sensitive on-off button, and then it has brightness and then a dim button, and also it changes colors. I like how easy the touch is. And then it's powered by a DC cord, so you don't have to worry about battery charging something and then having the power run out. And it's got the phone mount with it. It has a remote. The tripod extends for up to 62 inches. So it's really versatile, really sturdy, lots of great features. And especially for, you know, live casting or creating videos where you're doing something for a long time. Like I said, it plugs in for the power source. It gives you a lot of light. So if you've been used to using like a little phone light that clips to your phone, which I have one of those and love it, it has its place, or like a 10-inch ring light, this is a really cool upgrade, and I think you'll love it.